Escambia County Public Schools. This week we discover how to use Google Contacts to create labels that can help you send emails to a group in a flash. Do you find yourself emailing the same group or groups of people frequently? This video is for you. Whether it is your team at work or a group of students, your emails just got faster and simpler to use. So join us, your instructional technology team, for this week's Tech Tip in a Flash. We will start by looking at our Google waffle in the right-hand corner of our screen. Select Contacts. Typically, you will see a list of people who you frequently email listed as contacts. However, for A Byte of Tech, this space is empty for us. Nevertheless, we can head to Directory on the left-hand side of our screen at any time for a full list of emails associated with those in our organization. For purposes of this video, let's say we want to make a group that consists of our school board members. We can search for and select Kevin Adams. Now let's go ahead and select him. And here on our screen below our different options, we'll see a plus sign with a label. Let's go ahead and select that. And in this case, we do not have a label already created. We're going to select Create Label. Now my label is going to be named School Board. Once I have created my label, I'll go ahead and select Save. And now this label will be created. Now we can go ahead and select the rest of the school board members and add them to our already created label. This can be accomplished directly from our screen that we're currently on by searching in the search bar at the top. Here with Mr. Fetzko, our label's already created, so we can go ahead and select School Board and then apply. We'll do that for the 3 remaining school board members. Now that we have our group all labeled, you'll see on the left-hand side of the screen we have something called Labels and School Board, and it tells us that we have 5 members. When I click on this, we can see all 5 members of our school board in this label grouping. Now let's see how this works when we go to email. I'll go to my waffle, select my Gmail, and then select Compose. In my To, I'll go ahead and start typing in my label, and here we can see School Board, and it automatically populates all 5 of our emails. That's it! We hope you enjoyed this week's Byte of Tech. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and we will see you in our next one. Bye for now.